हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हम अपने घटना चक्र की हिस्ट्री की PYQs की सीरीज़ को आगे कंटिन्यू करते हैं। हमने वैदिक एज कंप्लीट कर लिया था। अब आगे बुद्धिज़्म के PYQs को कंप्लीट करते हैं। वैदिक एज कंप्लीट हो गया था। अब नेक्स्ट हमारा बुद्धिज़्म है। पहले बुद्धिज़्म के थोड़े से थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट उसको कंप्लीट करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद जितने PYQs क्वेश्चन रहेंगे सारे कंप्लीट्स करेंगे। सो फ्रेंड्स, ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है सारे एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए, चाहे वो UPSC हो, UPPCS हो या PET या कोई अदर एग्ज़ाम्स। सो जिस भी एग्ज़ाम में बुद्धिज़्म्स के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे उसमें से इस PYQs में से कुछ न कुछ तो आपको बहुत मदद मिलेगी। सो फ्रेंड्स, स्टार्ट करते हैं। बुद्धिज़्म। Gautam Buddha was born in Lumbini near Kapilavastu in 563 BC. His father's name was Sudbodhana, who was the chief of Shakya clan. His mother was Maya Devi or Mahamaya, who was from Kolyan clan. The childhood name of Gautam Buddha was Siddhartha. A few days after his birth, his mother died. Thereafter, he was raised by his aunt Prajapati Gautami. He was married at the age of 16 to Yasodhara, daughter of Shakya clan. तो गौतम बुद्ध लुम्बिनी में पैदा हुए थे और उनके पिता का नाम सुबोधना था, और उनकी माता जब ये पैदा हुए थे तो ही बचपन में ही मर गई थी। सो इनका पालन पोषण कोल्यान क्लेंस, इनका पालन पोषण प्रजापति गौतमी नाम की महिला ने किया, और इनकी शादी लगभग 16 की एज में यशोधरा से हो गई थी, जो डॉटर थी शाक्य क्लेन की। In the later Buddhist texts, other name of Yashodharas are Gopi, Bimba, Bhadchanna, etc. Their son's name was Rahul. Four scenes had a great impact of Buddha's life. These were an old man, a sick person, a decreased and blessed saint. Siddhartha decided to abandon his wife and children and left home while they were sleeping. तो उन्होंने डिसाइड किया, 4 सीन उनकी लाइफ में बहुत ही इम्पैक्ट किया उनकी लाइफ को। ओल्ड मैन, सिक पर्सन्स, बूढ़ा आदमी और बीमार मनुष्य, और डिक्रीज ब्लेस संत सिद्धार्था। गौतम बुद्धा ने डिसाइड किया, जो उनका बचपन का नाम सिद्धार्था था, उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि वो अपने पत्नी और बच्चों को छोड़ करके, जब वो सो रहे होंगे तो वो छोड़ करके चले जाएंगे। At the time of renunciations, Siddhartha was 29 years old. Abundance of homes in Buddhist texts has been called Mahabhiskarma. He met the Acharya of Shankya philosophy, Alar Kalams, near Vaishali. Siddhartha reached Rajgriha and met another Dharmacharya, Rudrak Ramput. Gautama got enlightenment in the night of Vaishak Purnima after 6 years of continuous meditations under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya at the age of 35. तो इन्हें लगभग 6 साल तक मेडिटेशन किया। इसके बाद उन्हें बोध गया ट्री के नीचे एट द एज ऑफ 35 में इन्हें ज्ञान प्राप्ति हुई। आफ्टर इनलाइटमेंट ही इज़ कॉल्ड बुद्धास, और उनको उसके बाद से बुद्धा कहने गया। अनदर नेम ऑफ बुद्धा इज़ ताटाघाट, विच मीन्स ही हु हैव वन ट्रूथ However, exact meaning is uncertain and Buddhist commentaries presents more than one meanings. He was called Sakyamuni due to his birth in Sakya. After enlightenment, Bodh Gaya, Gautam Buddha started preach his opinions from Uruvala, Bodh Gaya. His first reached Rishipatnam, present-day Sarnath, Varanasi. There he gave the first ceremonies of 5 Brahmin sannyasis. The first ceremony is called धर्मचक्र परिवर्तनास. तो उनको जब इनलाइटमेंट ज्ञान प्राप्ति हुई 35 साल की उम्र में, और उनका दूसरा नाम ताता घाट था, और इसकी एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग अभी भी कंफर्म नहीं है कि क्या है. ही वॉज कॉल्ड साक्य मुनि. उनको साक्य मुनि भी कहा जाता था क्योंकि ये साक्यकी में पैदा हुए थे. आफ्टर इनलाइटमेंट, जब इन्हें ज्ञान प्राप्ति हो गई तो अपने जो ज्ञान था वो सबको प्रीच करने, अपनी ओपिनियन बताते थे. फ्रॉम उरुवला, बोध गया ही फर्स्ट रीच. बोध गया के बाद ये सबसे पहले ऋषिपट्टनम, जो प्रेजेंट डे सारनाथ है, वहाँ पहुँचे और वहाँ पे उन्होंने 5 शर्मन जो उनके शिष्य थे, 5 ब्राह्मण सन्यासी, उन्होंने अपना पहला उपदेश दिया जिसको धर्मचक्र परिवर्तना कहते हैं. धर्मचक्र परिवर्तना के नाम से जाना जाता है. सिंबल ऑफ बुद्धिज्म रिलेटेड टू लाइफ ऑफ बुद्धास. कुछ सिंबल्स हैं और जो बुद्धा की लाइफ से. इवेंट्स: बर्थ, लोटस एंड बुल, ग्रेट डिपार्चर, महाविनाशकर्मा, हॉर्स, इनलाइटमेंट, निर्वाणा, पीपल बोधि ट्री के नीचे, फर्स्ट चेयर सेरेमन्स, धर्मचक्र परिवर्तन, व्हील्स, डेथ, महापरिनिर्वाण, स्तूपा. सो ये कुछ सिंबल्स हैं. उनके बर्थ पे लोटस और बुल का सिंबल्स होता है, और जब उन्होंने घर छोड़ दिया तो महाविनिष्कर्मणा हॉर्स है. फिर उन्हें जब ज्ञान प्राप्त हुआ, इनलाइटमेंट, निर्वाणा, पीपल का पेड़ के सिंबल से डिनोट करते हैं. फर्स्ट सेरेमनी, जब उन्हें फर्स्ट उपदेश दिया, धर्मचक्र परिवर्तना कहते हैं, और व्हील उसका सिंबल्स है. डेथ, महापरिनिर्वाण, स्तूपा. He spent the second, third and the 4th year of reign at Rajgriha. Bimbisar, the ruler of Magadha, builds Mahavihara called Veluvan for residence. Traveling from Rajgriha, Buddha reached Vaishali, capital of Lichvi, where he spends the 5th year of reigns. Lichvians builds the famous Kutagrashala in Mahavan for his residence. Vaisali royal courtiers Amarpali become his disciples and provided his Amarvatikas for the residence of the Buddhist monks. In the 8th year of enlightenment, Gautam Buddha permitted women to enter as bhikshunis into Buddhist Sangha at Vaishali, and on the advice of beloved disciples Ananda, Buddha aunt Mahaprajapati, who raised him as a mother, was the first woman to enter the Buddhist Sangha. Devadatta was the cousin of Buddha's. Devadatta firstly became a follower and then became the enemy of Buddha's. He wanted to remove Buddhas from the Buddhist Sanghas and become the head of the Sangha himself, but he did not succeed in it. The Buddhism was highly popularized in Kaushal states. A wealthy businessman named Anant Pindak of the Kaushal kingdom became his disciples and donated his Jetavanas Viharas for the Buddhist Sangha. Kaushal's king Prasenjit also adopted the Buddhist religions along with his families, and he builds Pabbarama Purvarama Vihara for the Buddhist Sangha. Buddha spent his last rainy season in Vaishali. While preaching Buddhism, He preached Pava, where he stayed in Amar Vatikas of Chund, a blacksmith. He gave Buddha's Sukramadhavas food to eat. This caused him bleedings. Then he went to Kushinara, and here he gave his last sermons to Subhad. He died in Kushinagar, capitals of the Republic Mall, in 1483 at the age of 80. In Buddhist texts, the events called Mahaparinirvanas. The first sermon is termed as Dharmachakra Parivartanas. The sermon was related to suffering, the cause of suffering, and its solution. The concept of Eightfold Path from the theme of Dharmachakra Parivartana Shuta, which means sermons of the turning of wheels of laws. He gave noble eightfold paths and four noble truths, which were accepted as basic tenets by all Buddhist sects. The four noble truths as there is suffering, there is a cause of suffering, there is a cessation of sufferings, there is a path leading to cessations of suffering. The main reasons for the spread of Buddhism was its simplicities. Its eightfold path and the concept of non-violence were simple and understandable by the common people. Buddha spread his message in his simplest languages or languages of common peoples. Buddhism did not believe in the caste distinctions. The non-Brahmins, particularly Dalits, were attracted by the simplicity of Buddhism. They also followed the missionary concepts. बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल्स कब कब कहाँ हुई है? फर्स्ट बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल 483 BC, राजगृह, प्रेसिडेंट थे महाकश्यपा, रूलर थे अजातशत्रु. सेकेंड 383 BC में वैशाली, प्रेसिडेंट सबाकामी काल अशोका. थर्ड 247 BC पाटलिपुत्र, प्रेसिडेंट मोगलीपुत्तिशा अशोका. फोर्थ 1st century BC प्लेस कुंडलवना कश्मीर, प्रेसिडेंट विश्वामित्र अश्वघोषा, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, रूलर कनिष्क. So these are the four Buddhist content, are they are very important and asking many times in the examinations. So you need to remember all these Buddhist councils. First 483 BC प्लेस राजगृह, महाकश्यपा प्रेसिडेंट थे और रूलर्स थे अजातशत्रु. सेकेंड 383 BC प्लेस वैशाली, प्रेसिडेंट सबाकमी, रूलर काल अशोकास. थर्ड 247 BC पाटलिपुत्र, प्रेसिडेंट मोगलीपुट्टातिशा अशोका, रूलर अशोका. फोर्थ 1st century BC कुंडलावना कश्मीर, विश्वामित्र अश्वघोष, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट कनिष्का. In the 1st century, those who believed in traditions faith were called Satavir and Theravadi. These were led by Mahachanchanya. Those who accepted a change were called Mahasangikas. They were led by Mahakashyapas in 4th Buddhist councils. There was a dominance of Mahasangikas. The 4th council held during the region of Kanishkas divided Buddhism into two sects, namely Hinayana and Mahayana. In Mahayana, Gautam Buddha is treated as God and its followers started worshipping Buddhas through idols. Gautam Buddha was elevated to the position of God during the period of Kanishka. The fundamental difference between Hinayana and Mahayana sects of Buddhism is regarding treating Buddha as gods. Hinayana believed Buddha as a great man, whereas Mahayana started worshipping Buddha through idols, treating him as a god. Sarvastivadins literally means doctrine that all exist. Sarvastivadins describe a complex system in which past, present and future phenomena are all held to have some common of their own existence. Like all Buddhists, the Sarvastivadins considers everything empirical to be transient, but they maintain that the dharma factors are internally existing reality. Impermanence, called anitya, is one of the essential doctrines and part of three marks of existence in Buddhism. The doctrine was presented by Buddha himself. The doctrine asserts that all of conditioned existence without exceptions is transient, evanescent, inconstant. This impermanence is source of dukkha. Nagarjuna's primarily contribute to Buddhist philosophies was the use of the concept of sunyata or doctrine of what. The famous literary works Madhyamika Karikas provides one of Nagarjuna's the most famous quotations on emphasize or co-arising. Nagarjuna's was eminent personalities in the court of Kanishka. Huan Sang called one of the world's four great guiding powers. In the book of Madhyamika Karika, he has discussed theories of relativity. He is also known as Indian Einstein. According to the Chinese mythologies, Nagarjuna travels to China and preached Buddhism. Maitreya has been called future Buddhas in the Buddhist traditions. Padmapanis, the lotus bearers, is one of the most common epithet. Avalokiteshvaras, the Buddhist Bodhisattva of infinite compassion. This superly models sculpture stands in Tribhanga and three bands pose. A bodhisattva is a living being sattva who aspires to enlightenment bodhi and carry out altruistic practice. The bodhisattva idols is a central of the Mahayana Buddhist traditions as the individuals who seek enlightenment both for himself or herself and for others. In order to preach the doctrine of Buddhism's Mahatma Buddhas, the Buddhist compiles a new type of literature, Tripitaka, that can be divided into three categories: Sut Pitaka, Vinay Pitaka, Abhidham Pitaka. Sut Pitaka contains sayings and teaching of Buddha. Sut Pitaka teaching. Sut Pitaka contains the saying and teaching of Buddhas. Vinay Pitakas deal with the rules observed by the member of Sanghas. Vinay Pitaka Vinay rules. Sut Pitaka's teachings. Sut Pitakas contains the sayings and teaching of Buddhas. Vinay Pitaka deal with the rules to be observed member of Sanghas. So Sut Pitaka में टीचिंग्स ऑफ बुद्धास उसके बारे में बुद्ध के बारे में पढ़ाया जाता है और विनय पिताकास डील विद द रूल्स टू बी ऑब्जर्व बाय द मेंबर्स. Abhidham Pitaka's present philosophy exposition of Dhamma. The Abhidham Pitaka consists of 7 books: Yamaka, Pathana, Katha, Vatu, Pugalapannati, Dukhatu, Khatu, Vibhangas, and Dhammashangani, the religious texts of Buddhists in which the stories of the previous birth of Gautam Buddha's compiles, called Jatakas. It was written in the Pali language. So Buddhists, in order to preach doctrines of Buddhism, and the Buddhists compile new type literature that can be divided into 3 Pitaka: Sut Pitaka, Abhidham Pitaka, and Sut Pitaka, Vinay Pitaka, and Abhidham Pitaka. सूत पिताका में बुद्धास की टीचिंग होगी, विनय पिताका में उसके रूल्स होंगे, और अभिधम पिताका में उसकी लिटरेचर्स होंगी, फिलॉसफी होगी, एक्सपोजिशंस होंगे। और 7 बुक्स हैं, उनमें गौतम बुद्धास के प्रीवियस जन्म के बारे में लिखा हुआ है, उसको कहते हैं जाकता। इट्स रिटन इन अ पाली लैंग्वेज। इन भूमि स्पर्श मुद्रास बुद्धास इज सीन सीटेड with right hands as pendant over the right knees reaching toward the ground with the palms inward while teaching the lotus thrones. In the meantime, the left hands can be seen with the palms upright in his lap. The gestures represent movement of Buddha's awakening as he claims the earth as the witness of his enlightenment just before he realized enlightenment. It is believed that demons Mara tried to frighten him with the armies of demons, which represents the defeat of Mara and his demonic army of Buddhas. During the Buddhist period, some of the most important centers learnings in India were Nalandas, Vikramshilas and Vallabhi. These centers of learning were not only popular among the different Janpadas from where the students come learning, but also attract the students from abroad, China, Japan, Tibet and other countries of Southeast Asia. Some of the education centers like Takshila and Nalandas enjoy the status of universities. Nalandas was the main centers of education of Mahayana Buddhism and Vallabhi for Hinayana Buddhism. Vikramshila's Mahavira was established by the Pala king Dharmapala. Vikramshila Mahavira was established by Pala king Dharmapala. He also constructed temples and monasteries. The University of Nalanda's come existence during the Gupta period. So धर्मपाला पीरियड में विक्रमशिला महावीर इस्टेब्लिश्ड, विक्रमशिला को इस्टेब्लिश किया गया था, पाला किंग धर्मपाला, और नालंदा को एग्जिस्टेंस ड्यूरिंग द गुप्ता पीरियड. Mahayana literally means great vehicles. Buddha is considered a god. It is believed in souls and rebirth. It is believed the idol worships. Their principles are simple and accessible. In this, the importance is given to the common devotees along with the monks. The idol of Bodhisattva. The major sects Shunyavad, Madhyamika and Vigyanvad Yogachar. और हीनयाना literally means lesser vehicles. Mahatma Buddha is considered as a great man. This is an individualistic religion. According to the every person should get salvation through his own effort. It did not believe the idol worships. Its ways to worship. It is very strict and it follows the monk's life. Its aim to attain arhat. Its major sects of Vaibhashikas and Sotarnikas. सो ये मैंने पहले ही पढ़ दिया, लास्ट में पढ़ना था, कोई बात नहीं. द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ नालंदास कम्स टू एग्जिस्टेंस ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड ऑफ गुप्ता पीरियड. Initially, Kumar Guptas first gave donations to Nalanda's Buddhist viharas. Afterward, Buddha Guptas, Tarthar Guptas and Baladitas also donated to his viharas. Now, Nalanda's and Mahaviharas is the modern center of Buddhist studies. Its foundation stones was laid on 20 November 1951. Udantipurs, also called was Udantapuras, was the prominent education centers of the ancient times. It is situated in the Magadha, now Bihar, India's. It was established by the Pala Emperor Gopala. Chaitya literally means related to Chaitya. Samadhis were built on the ground after the burials of dead bodies. They were initially called Chaitya or stupas. In these samadhis, residues of the great man were kept safe thereafter. Chaitya becomes the center of worship. The houses built nearer monasteries or Chaitya griha called viharas. The word stupas has been used for the first times in Rig Veda. In Rig Veda's text, stupa means tree stems. Rig Vedas refers to a stupa raised by a king Varuna above the forest in a place having no foundations. Anything that raised on the ground like heap piles might have been known as stupa. सो जो उठा हुआ रहता था उसको ही स्तूपा मान लिया जाता था. हीप पाइल उठे. द स्तूपा एट बोध गया इज रिलेटेड टू इनलाइटमेंट ऑफ बुद्धास. जो स्तूपा बोध गया में है वो माना जाता है इनलाइटमेंट बुद्धा के ज्ञान के रूप में. सांची स्तूपा इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू एनी एपिसोड ऑफ बुद्धास लाइफ. इन दीज स्तूपास the remains of Buddhas of his chief disciples were kept, so they becomes the main center of devotions and worships of Buddhists. Stupas has 4 types. First, Sharirik stupa body stupa, Paribhujik stupa, Paribhogik stupa, Uddeshika स्तूपा, worshipping stupa. Gautam Buddha is known as the light of Asia. The book The Light of Asia of the life of Gautam Buddha was written by Edwin Arnold's. Mahaparinirvana's temple is located in the Kushinagar district of Uttar Pradesh. Statue of Lord Buddha in temples was obtained by the excavation of 1876 to 77 AD. The statue of Lord Buddha is 6.10 meter high in this temples and is placed in lying pose. This idol reflects the period when Lord Buddha, at the age of 80, left his earthly bodies and become free from the bondage of death. That is Parinirvana, the difference between the Hinayana and Mahayana. So difference between the Hinayana Mahayana हमने पढ़ लिया था. And Buddhist texts and their authors. Milindo Pano Nagashen, Buddha Charitra and Sauranand, Sariputra Prakarna, Ashwagosha, Madhyamik Kakarika Nagarjuna, Vidhu Miga Buddha Ghosh, Abhidhamma Kosh Vashu Bandhu. When was Gautam Buddha was born? 563 BC. Gautam Buddha, also known as Siddhartha, childhood names, was born in 563 BC in Shakya Kshatriya family in Lungini, near the Kapilavastu, Nepal. His father's name was Suddhodana, who was the chief of Shakya clan. His mother was Maya Devi, who was from Kolyan clans. At the age of 29, he left his homes on his horse Katanka, accompanied by Channa, and this was called Mahabhinikskarama. He died at the age of 80s in 483 BC at Kushinagar, the first capital city of Malla kingdoms, which is known as Mahaparinirvana. Which of the events of the Buddha's life is known as Mahabhikshkarnas? His departure from home. जब उन्होंने अपना घर छोड़ दिया तो उस इवेंट्स को कहा जाता है Mahabhiniskaramana. His departure from homes. Gautam Buddha's mother was from which clans? कोलियान क्लेन्स, तो उनकी मदर कोलियान क्लेन की थी। क्वेश्चन फोर्थ, गौतम बुद्धा was born in Lumbini. Which of these the another name of Buddhas? None of these. Parth, Mihir, Panchana, Gudikeshana. Parth and Gudikesh were Parth and Gudikesh were the name of Arjuna of Mahabharata. Mihir and Parchanas were not the names of the Buddhas. He intended answer E, but Chhattisgarh Public Service Commission declared option B, Prachanna, as a correct answer. Initially answer की as well as revised answer की. So Prachanna होगा, क्योंकि सब पढ़ा तो मैं भी था अभी नीचे. From which inscriptions of the following dynasty Lumbini was known as birthplace? Mauryan. From the Mauryan dynasty, the Emperor Ashoka's Rumidei pillar inscription, it is known that Lumbini is the birthplace of Gautam Buddha. According to the inscriptions of King Ashoka's came here, Lumbini, in 20th year of the coronations and worships the place where Shakyamuni was born. In addition to that, he also exempted Lumbini from Bali tax and was asked to pay only 8 share of the produce as it was the birthplace of the Gautam Buddha. Which one of the following inscription of Ashoka's confirm the traditions of Gautam Buddha was born in Lumbini? Rumidei pillar inscriptions. Rumidei pillar inscription से पता चलता है कि गौतम बुद्धा बॉर्न हुए हैं लुम्बिनी में. The inscriptions of which one of the following kings gives the information that Sakyamuni Buddha was born in Lumbini? Ashoka. Where did the Mahatma Buddha's Mahaparinirvana take place? Kushinagar. Mahatma Buddha delivered the first sermon at the site of Deer Park at Sarnath. Later he moved toward Koshalas, Kapilavastu, Vaishali and Rajgiri to propagate the teachings of Buddha. The kings of Kosala, Prasanajit, with his entire family, adopted his disciples of Buddhas. During his campaigns, reached Pawa, the capital of Mallas. At Pawa, Buddha stayed in the mango grove of Chuns. The blacksmiths there, Chuns provide him a large amount of Sukranmadavas, which resulted in sickness with the flow of bloods and a violent deadly pains. But Buddhas reached Kusinara's capital, Republic of Mallas. Here abandoned his bodies in 483 BC at the age of 80. He is also known as Mahaparinirvana. Gautam Buddha attains Mahaparinirvana in the kingdom of Malla. Buddha attained Mahaparinirvana in the Republic of Mallas. Gautam Buddha attained Nirvana at which place? Kushinara. Mahaparivana temple is located Kushinagar. Mahaparivana temple is situated Kushinagar district of Uttar Pradesh. It is a very famous statue of Buddha's. The image was unearthed during the excavations in 1876-77 AD. Carved from Chunar sandstones, the statue represents the dying Buddhas reclining the right sides. Which of the following kingdoms were associated with the life of Buddhas? Koshalas and Magadha. From the given kingdoms, Gautam Buddha was associated with the Koshalas and Magadha kingdoms. He visited these two kingdoms to propagate his teachings. Who was the last person to get enlightenment from the Gautam Buddhas? Subhadas. Gautam Buddha in his last year went to his disciple named Chund at Pava, where he suffered food poisoning after eating Sukramadeva offered by Chund. Then he went to Kushinara, capital city of Malla's kingdoms, where he gave his last sermons, Subhadhas, and finally attended Mahaparinirvana at Kushinagar. Question 16. Who among the followings of the last persons converted by the Buddhas? Subhadha. Where did the Buddhas reside during the last rainy season of his life? Vaishali. Buddha resided in Vaishali during the last rainy season of his life. Actually, Buddhas reached Beluva, which was in suburb of Vaishali, to spend his time during the rainy season at the age of 80 years with his two disciples, one of them popularly known as Ananda. Which one of the following describe the best concept of nirvana in Buddhism? The extinction of flame of desire. So option A is correct. Buddhism considers desire and as a cause of pain, cause of all the pains. The state of nirvana in Buddhism is considered as a state which is free from desire, pain, pleasure, etc. Literally means the word nirvana is blown out, and it can be seen as a state of existence of flame of desire. Hence option A is correct. Who attained the enlightenment of Bodh Gaya? Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha attained his enlightenment in Bodh Gaya. Who was Alara Kalama, a teacher of Buddhas? Alara Kalama's teacher of Buddhas. Alara Kalama was one of the best and well-known religious teacher. Ascetics Buddhas went to studies under him. He studied and learnt many things, including meditations. He worked hard and eventually equally his teachers in his teachings. Finally, Alara Kalama could not teach Buddhas anymore, and he said, "You are the same as I am now. There is no difference between us. Stay here and take my place and teach my students with me." Alara Kalama was Acharya of Shamakya philosophy and was renowned of his spiritual strength. सो फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो लगभग 38 मिनट्स से ऊपर हो गई है. हमने 21 क्वेश्चंस कर लिए हैं और इसको आगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कंटिन्यू करेंगे. सो तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एंड प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल्स. वी विल कंटिन्यू Buddhism part in next video, and after the Buddhism completed, we go to the next part of Jain religion. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.